What's up about this street food action, and today I'm gonna make rice and peas. First thing you need is, yes, the peas right here. Make sure you wash it first and put it in the fridge and let it stay in there overnight. Next thing we need is onion powder, and we need garlic. It looks like a W, because why not? And we're gonna need thyme, cayenne pepper. I love my cayenne pepper. Coconut milk. I'm gonna put in the peas and stuff, that's for later on. And I have the rice, make sure you wash the rice. Culture salt. Then we're gonna move on to the pot. Okay, turn it on. Oops, wrong one. Then you're gonna add the peas in there. Add my peas. I'm gonna add my garlic. Mix it up in there. A little bit of onion. Thyme. Whoops, that's too much, but whatever. You know, I'm gonna take a little bit out of it. Put cayenne pepper in there. I love my spices. That's too much. It's too late. I can't take too much for the but whatever. A little salt. Let me do this first because I don't want to put too much salt and mess up the whole video. I think that's good enough. Mix it up. Okay, it's boiling up. And I forgot to put a freaking coconut milk in there. Alright, let's put it in there. It's not too late. Whoa! Am I supposed to put a little bit in there? Whatever, I like coconut. Then we're gonna mix it up. Then I'm gonna put it on medium heat. Oh damn, I forgot to put oil in there. I put 2 spoons. 1, 2. Alright, then mix this up. Then we're gonna cover it up. And wait for an hour. I'm a patient person. 1 hour have passed, and let's check on the peas. Oh, okay. Ooh, nice. Let me taste it if it's really done. I'm not eating peas that hard as a rock. I broke my teeth. Perfect. Now we're gonna add the rice in there. Put it in there. Oh boy, it's a lot. It's a lot of rice. It can't even fit. Oh boy, there's a problem. I need a bigger pot. Be right back. Okay, so we're gonna switch to our bigger pot. Then I'm gonna add more water in there. Mix it up. Now I'm gonna cover it and wait some more, probably another 20 minutes. Okay, let's check. Ooh, look at that. Alright, mix it up. Oh, nice, delicious rice and peas. And can you believe that this is my first time making rice and peas? What taste it? Please make it taste good. This is done. Oh, I'm gonna turn this off. And there you have it, everybody. Rice and peas. This is gonna be my dinner. I'll eat this for my dinner. Boom, the finished. Share that out. No, I'm not gonna eat this, so just by itself. I eat it with chicken. I don't have time to cook chicken, so I just bought chicken on the road. I'm not done. I'm gonna put this. I like to, oh, some too much, but I like it anyways. Whatever, put it over, put it over. Put ketchup. Come on, girl. There. Yeah, that's my dinner. And there you have it, everybody. Rice and peas. The chicken I don't even cook, I bought it on the street. Yeah, that's my dinner. So yeah, that's the video. This is Straightforward Action, and I'm straightforward out. Peace.